my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hotmess Mama MD, and I am filming on my vlog camera because my computer broke. I don't know what happened. It won't turn on. I'm low-key freaking out because I'm filming all these videos. I'll be able to upload them, but I don't know what I'm gonna do from there. Anyways, hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by this train wreck of a channel. I greatly appreciate it. I hope that you will decide to subscribe, hit that like button, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter because it's free and you can help me out by doing that. And eventually, once we hit 10K on Instagram, I'm gonna do a big giveaway for you guys. I'm pretty excited because I've never done a giveaway over on Instagram. So now that I am like over 1 minute in, hi, my name's Rhonda, and I got a lot going on in my head, but I decided to sit down and film IPSY versus Boxycharm for you guys. Now, if you are new to this is only like I think my second time doing this type of video, but what I do is I am taking two subscription boxes and putting them up against each other, showing you guys what I received. I'm not going to talk too much about each product in there because I did do individual videos for each box. Now, we're going to start off with the IPSY GLAMBAG Plus box. This is a subscription service. It is monthly and you receive all full-size products. Now, I will tell you right off the bat that this is $25 a month. Let me show you what I received in here. You always receive one of their little pamphlets in here that shows you or tells you a little bit about each item as well as how much it retails for. Now, as I always tell you guys, with subscription services, you really don't know what you're going to get. You may fill out a profile, but doesn't necessarily mean they're going to stick with what you put into the profile. So you're kind of getting a little eclectic type of box curated that hopefully is for you. The first item I did receive does retail for $55. It's the Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate, and it is by Gold Faden MD. I'm really excited about this product. Now, I just opened and unboxed all of these items, so I've not been able to test out any of the items for you guys. The next item I did receive in the IPSY GLAMBAG Plus is the Paris Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. Again, full size. Don't know if it's, there we go. And then from there, we did get a full size of the High Brow Pencil by Benefit. And then I've got two more items to show you guys. This is the Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer Palette. I'm honestly, like I said in that unboxing, I've never heard of this brand, but you do get 3 different colored bronzers. It says here on the back. And let's see if I can get this out. My battery just popped up. It's about to die. Some things never change, right? So professional. Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. You get a mirror, and then here are the 3 different shades, which I do think that these will probably work for me. So I did receive that one. And then the last item I received in the GLAMBAG Plus is the Laura Sanchez Moods Palette. So that is the front and the back, and this is the inside. It has 8 eyeshadows, 2 highlighters, and then a little brush. So that is what the inside of the palette looks like. Now, I can tell you guys, with everything in this box that did cost me $25, the retail value of everything came to $180. So we're gonna go ahead and move right along over to the Boxy box for April 2019. By the way, okay, so the battery died. Go me. Anyways, like I was saying before the camera cut out, these are both for April 2019. So moving over to our Boxy, again, this one is a monthly subscription. You can choose to pay like $50-some for the Boxy Luxe. I can't say that I recommend that, but this one is supposed to be $21 a month, and after taxes it comes to just under $23 for me. So again, you get another one of the postcards, gives you a little information about each item, how much it costs, all of that. The first item I received in the April Boxycharm is the Luxie Summer Days brush set. You do receive 3, of course, full-size brushes in here. One looks to be for the face, and then these two are for the eyes. Now you guys know I do like Luxie brushes. I think they're a great brush company. The brushes work really, really well. And that's the one thing I definitely like about subscription services, as I find that with IPSY and Boxy, they both send you really good brushes. So the next item I received is by Pure. It is the Festival palette. This is what the box looks like on the front. Here is the back. It did come with a sample of, what is this again? Eye primer. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the eyeshadow palette for you guys. Now last year Boxy also had a Pure palette in there, and I feel like it was very hit or miss. Some people hated it, some people loved it. I myself actually enjoyed it, but this is the inside of the palette right here. I think it's really pretty. I mean, obviously y'all know me enough to know that I'm not gonna use the glitter probably ever, and I probably won't use the pink. I may do the purple, but you guys, it came in the box and I'm not mad about it. I do think it's really pretty. As you guys can see, I did swatch the two glitters here. They're pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome. They reminded me of the Huda one, and if not, a little bit better actually than the Huda in the rose gold. So then the next item I received is from Artist Couture. See if it'll, there we go. And this is the name. It is in the shade Summer Haze. That may have been upside down, sorry guys. But I did not open this one. This is the shade, hopefully it'll focus. You can see it's like a pretty champagne-y warm. I don't know, maybe champagne is too fair. I don't know, but I think this is really pretty, and I think it'll be really pretty when I'm a little bit tanner or to like dust on my shoulders or whatnot. But again, not mad about it. The last time I received, and I did swatch it right here, it's a lipstick color by Christopher Buckle. This is what the box actually looks like. Maybe it'll focus, I don't know. Come on now, there you go. And there's the shade, hopefully it's not upside down. This is in the shade, I think it's Bardot. I don't know. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I don't enunciate properly half the time. This is what it looks like up close. I actually, like I said in the unboxing, I really like the casing of it. I think it's really pretty. And then here is the shade that you guys will get. Now, of course, everybody's box is created or curated different. So you may not get this particular shade, you may not even get this particular brand. I don't know. I don't watch everyone's unboxings until after I've done mine, and I'm doing all my unboxings today. The last time I received is from Starlooks. I don't know, again, about this company. This is an eyeshadow or an eyeliner pencil, and it is in the shade, I believe, Black. So I don't think you can ever really go wrong with some. Some of them are like hard to use, but as far as like the shade, I'm totally okay with the black. Now the retail value of this Boxycharm box, like I told you guys, I paid a little under $23. Retail value came to $128 for this box. So right off the bat, I would say, even though I paid almost $2 more for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, you retail value wise, you definitely got a better value at the Glam Bag. But as far as everything went, what was in the IPSY versus what was in the Boxycharm, I think it's a really close call, guys. Now granted, it's a first impression. I've not tried any of these products out, so I think that down the road, as I'm playing with these products, I, would probably have a better way of deciding, like, hey, these products didn't work so well, so this subscription wins, blah blah blah. But off the bat, I kind of feel like maybe it was a bit of a tie. And as far as the palette goes and the products that I would use more, kind of leaning towards the Boxy side, even though I think that the IPSY was great, and I'm excited about the under eye cream and the face wash, and I really was excited over the Benefit brow thing, which I didn't really tell you guys what it was. It's a high brow pencil, and what it is I throw things around here, that one, and then two, this is what the pencil actually looks like. It's like a really light nude shade or cream shade, and then you can like carve your browse out with it, or you can highlight, you could do an inner corner, whatever it may be. So I've never tried this one by Benefit before. I know I'm jumping all over the place, guys, but hot mess. That's how I roll. So anyways, overall, I think both of the boxes were really, really good. But I will tell you guys, overall, IPSY Glam Bag Plus, they've been killing it, guys. They've been doing really, really good. And I say this almost every month. I think that they're really giving Boxycharm a run for their money. So if you guys received both of these or one or the other, let me know in the comments down below the products that you have used. Which subscription did you like better? Which subscription, if you don't receive these, are you interested in? Also, I forgot to mention this in my IPSY Glam Bag unboxing. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with any of the companies I'm talking about at all today. I do have referral links that y'all will get as well when you sign up. The nice thing I do like about Boxycharm, if you do give out your referral link and people do sign up under you, they normally give you Charmer rewards, or sometimes, which really weird, I've noticed that they stopped doing it. That kind of has me bummed out. Hopefully they start doing it again. But if someone uses your referral link, you'll get the Charmer rewards. But normally they were giving away like a free highlighter or facial cream, whatever it may be. Notice they haven't been doing that lately. So Boxy, you might want to start doing that again. But anyways, that's all for today's video. I do want to make sure to give a post notification shout out to y'all. It's very easy. Just make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Hashtag notification squad, hashtag team hot mess. After you've clicked that subscribe button, no, the notification bell. I think every video, other two that I did today, I think I got that part wrong. Sorry guys. By the way, if I'm not looking at the camera, sorry, I'm still getting used to this because it's me. If you guys have been with me a while, you know I'm a train wreck and I don't try and hide it. Well, okay, I try and hide it, and then some days I just embrace it. Today I'm embracing it. So there's that. Okay guys, today's notification shout outs go to Lucy Ramos, Stacy, is it Asuri, L Breezy, Lisa M, and Kristen Trupp. Thank you guys so much, so much for leaving me a comment in my video. I think it went up last week. Thank you for being subscribed to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And of course to my Patreons, Cammie and Rachel, thank you guys so much for being my Patreons and supporting me. I greatly appreciate you guys so much, and thank you guys to each and every single one of you that actually sat through this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you did, leave me your favorite emoji down below. So anyways, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, like I said, for probably the upteenth time. Once we hit 10,000 over on Instagram, I am going to be doing a makeup giveaway, so you guys don't want to miss out on that. I do have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I talk about keto related content as well as like family vlogs or shopping. I don't know. It's just, it's my channel to put up whatever I want and do what I want. I don't know. You guys, I'm really tired. I got some health things going on, guys. So if I seem out of sorts, it's because I am. Nothing, I don't think, too major, but hopefully we'll have some answers in the next month or two. But I'm actually doing a follow me over on, if you follow me over on my vlog channel, hopefully the video will be up by now, but I'm doing a health journey series. So I am taking you guys along with me on my health journey. So anyways, check the description box down below on that so you can jump over to my other channel and that, and I'm rambling. I'm gonna hop off now, guys. Until next time, friends, as always, I hope y'all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.